So here we have a premium quality 420 stainless steel wine bottle opener. Now this also has a very sharp and efficient foil cutter and cap remover. It also has a double hinge little spring to help remove the caps better. So basically it's a 3-in-1 wine bottle opener and cap remover. Now usually these openers are in damp conditions such as bars, barbecues, bags, and having premium 420 stainless steel ensures that it will be rust free and last basically forever. All it takes is 3 easy steps to remove the cork from a wine bottle. First, you use the cutter to remove the wine foil. Then you turn the screw into the cork. And then you hold down the handle and pull the cork out with the leverage of the stainless steel smooth, polished handle. It's 4.8 inch in length when closed, and it's 7 inch in length when open. So it's great to put in any drawer, any picnic basket, bag, cooler, and it'll open any bottle for any occasion. So this is a overbuilt wine bottle opener that's going to last forever, being stainless steel, and it's a great choice for stocking stuffers, holidays, for your bar, for your home, even a restaurant. So having this is easy, luxury, and convenience.